Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily log into a Google Workspace account. So first, of course, is head over to workspace.google.com and of course, make sure that you already have an existing account. If you still doesn't have one, you can start creating one by clicking on the Start Free Trial. You will then be redirected to a page, and if you have an existing account, you can just log in with that one, or if you still doesn't have one, all you have to do is click on create a new account. And from here, all you have to do is fill in all the necessary information to proceed and for you to be able to create your account. If you already have an existing account, just click on switch account. Choose the account for you to log in. As you can see, for you to be able to proceed in logging into your account, you're going to need to pay around $26.40 per month after trial ends, meaning that you can log in for free and use your account for 14 days. And there's a note here that says you can go back to your free account anytime, meaning that you can stop or cancel subscription anytime if you want to just access Google Workspace for free. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Then we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!